Another example of conjugate acid base pair is NH3 and NH4 plus. In this example also, these two species, ammonia is base according to Bronsted-Lowry theory and NH4 plus is acid according to Bronsted-Lowry theory, and these two species are acid base pair which are differ by only one proton, because NH3 contain 3 proton and NH4 contain 4 proton. Therefore these two species are differ by 1 proton. Therefore this is also conjugate acid base pair. Conjugate acid base pair. Conjugate acid base pair. The next point, next theory is Levy's acid base theory. It is also important for NEET and JEE because number of times question was asked in previous NEET and JEE exam, that is, which of the following is not a Levy's acid? Which of the following is Levy's acid? Which of the following is the least Levy's acid? Which of the following is the least Levy's base? Such types of questions was asked in previous exam. Therefore, what is the Levy's acid base theory? Next, third theory is Levy's theory. First is acid and second is base. Example, for example, H plus, obviously it is electrophile because it having positive charge, therefore it is electron deficient. And NH3, we know that there is one electron pair is present on nitrogen, therefore is electron rich and it is nucleophile. This electron pair is donated to EH plus, that is electrophile. Therefore, ammonia is the electron pair donor. And H plus is electron pair acceptor. Therefore, according to Levy's theory, acid is electron pair acceptor and base is electron pair donor. Then next important point from this topic is auto-ionization of water. Auto-ionization of water auto-ionization of water. In pure water, H plus ion concentration are exactly equal to OH minus ion concentration and its value is 1 into 10 raised to minus 7. Concentration of H plus is equal to concentration of OH minus is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 mole. In pure water, concentration of H plus are exactly equal to concentration of OH minus and its value is experimentally find out, that is 1 into 10 raised to minus 7. And auto-ionization of water, that means ionic, from this value, ionic product of water, it is denoted by Kw. Kw is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus. By substituting values 1 into 10 raised to minus 7, because concentration of H plus is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 and concentration of OH minus is also is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 7. Therefore, Kw is equal to That means ionic product of water is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 14 mole square. This value is important for solving numericals regarding pH, pOH. Then next is the relation between concept of pH. Concept of pH. pH is the negative log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration. Then pOH. pOH is equal to negative log to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration. Then what is the relation between pH and pOH? Relation between pH and pOH. Relation is equal to pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Then we know that there are three types of solution: acidic solution, basic solution and neutral solution. What is the acidic solution? In acidic solution there are excess of H plus ions. That means for acidic solution, H plus ions, concentration of H plus ion is greater than concentration of OH minus ion. Therefore for acidic solution pH is always less than 7. For basic solution, hydroxyl ion concentration is always greater than H plus ion concentration. Therefore pH of basic solution is always greater than 7. And solution in which concentration of H plus ion is exactly equal to concentration of OH minus ion, that is called as neutral solution. And for neutral solution pH is exactly equal to 7. Then pH of some common substances. A multiple choice question will be asked on this point: pH of some common substances. For example, pH of some common substances. First, lime water. We know that lime water is basic because it is base, therefore its pH is always greater than 7, 10.5. Second is milk of magnesia. pH of milk of magnesia, it is the another name of magnesium hydroxide. Therefore we should know what is meant by milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia is the magnesium hydroxide. It consists of OH minus ion, therefore it is basic and its pH is always greater than 7, 10. Its pH is 10. Then pH of egg white. pH of egg white is 7.8. It is also basic. Then pH of human blood. What is the pH of human blood is also included in your state board book. It is nearly equal to 7.4. Then pH of milk. pH of milk is 6.8. pH of human saliva. pH of human saliva is 6.4. pH of black coffee. Black coffee. pH of black coffee is 5. Therefore, we can say that coffee is acidic, basic or neutral. Its pH is less than 7, that is 5. Therefore, it is acidic. Then pH of tomato juice. pH of tomato juice is nearly 4.2. 4.2. It is also acidic. Then pH of vinegar. What is meant by vinegar? What is vinegar? Vinegar is the 8% acidic acid solution. 8% acidic acid solution is called as vinegar, and we know that acetic acid is the acid. Therefore, pH of vinegar is less than 7, which is nearly 3. pH of 1 molar HCl. pH of 1 molar HCl. What is the pH of 1 molar HCl? We know that HCl is a strong acid and its concentration is also higher, that is 1 molar. 1 molar HCl having pH nearly equal to 0. For multiple choice question, this question will be asked, what is the pH of 1 molar HCl? It is nearly about 0. These are the some pH values for some common substances. This point is in your NCERT book. This is not in your state board book. This point is included in NCERT book, which is important for NEET and JEE.